Okay, we have some, you can add oil, or I use some bacon grease and some pork chops, little pieces of it, so I can just add some meat to it. I added some sofrito, let it cook there, and then I'm gonna add some, about a tablespoon of tomato sauce, some guandules, and I'm gonna let it cook a little bit. Then we're gonna add our seasonings, which is sazon con achote, it gives it color. Adobo, you can use any adobo that you like. We'll also have some salt, about 2 tablespoons, actually 2 teaspoons, sorry. And about a couple of pinches of oregano. Oregano is very strong flavor. And then we're gonna put some chicken flavor into it as well. And we're gonna add a cup and a half of rice. It was just for 2 people, so I made a cup and a half of rice, and then I added 2 cups of water. And we're just gonna add another sazon because I like it with more color. And then we're gonna let it boil. When it starts to boil like that, we stir it, bring down the heat to medium, and then we cover it. And after a while, about 20 minutes, it should be ready. And this is what it looks like. Delicious. So I served it with some pork chops that I made in the oven. Enjoy!